Hi everyone and welcome to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant update stuck issue. To start, open your command prompt in your PC. Do this by using the search bar then typing in CMD. Over at command prompt this time, we will now going to be inputting a few words or a few commands. In command prompt type netsh space winsock space reset then press enter. Then input the next command after netshint space IP space reset. Then press enter this time. Then input the next command. It is ipconfig space /flush DNS then hit enter. Once done, close your command prompt. Now go to your search bar on the left corner of your PC once again. Then in here, search for Windows Defender or Firewall settings. Once you're now here, make sure you follow the settings that I have here on my screen. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.